Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trending crochet ideas. So don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. These designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you love all these ideas. So viewers, share the video with your friends and family who want crochet ideas. I really hope that they love these ideas. Guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different color and different decent and unique designs. You can design your bags with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet bags collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to crochet bags. If you all love these article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayers friends. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.